Hi friends, welcome to our channel Sushwa Technologies. Today we will focus on the Dell Latitude 7400 i7 8th Gen laptops here. It's a used and refurbished laptops. The Dell Latitude 7400 is a business class laptop known for its sleek design and powerful performance. Intel Core i7 8th generation laptop comes with quad-core processor with a maximum turbo frequency of 4.8 GHz. It supports hyper-threading, allowing it to handle demanding tasks efficiently. The Dell Latitude 7400 i7 8th Gen laptops comes with by default 8GB DDR4 RAM and 256 MB storage. We can upgradable the RAM from 8GB to up to 32GB as per your requirements. And also we can upgrade the storage from 256GB to 512 or 1TB and up to 2TB storage also. Display. The Dell Latitude 7400 is equipped with a 14-inch screen. It will comes with 3 variants: HD with non-touch, Full HD with non-touch and Full HD with touch quality display. The display quality is typically crisp and vibrant, suitable for work tasks and multimedia consumption. Connectivity and ports. The Dell laptop comes with a variety of connectivity options, including USB Type-C ports, USB 3.1 ports, HDMI, Thunderbolt 3, an SD card reader, and audio jacks. It also includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities for wireless connectivity. Operating system. The Dell Latitude 7400 laptops comes with Windows 10 Professional operating system with digital license. Overall, the Dell Latitude 7400 with an 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor provides a balance of performance, portability, and business-oriented features, making it suitable for professionals, students, and users who require a reliable and powerful laptop for their computing needs.
Sushwa Technologies, Hyderabad, Telangana State. For more details visit our website www.use-system.com. Our contact number 9515672459. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel Sushwa Technologies.